Here's Sean spending the day trying to save our cork oak tree, which it'll be fine, but we had the yellow-bellied sapsuckers, little tiny woodpeckers. They're a type of woodpecker. And see the little holes? I see holes right there. They do holes all in the tree in a line. It's like, and then the sap drips out and they come back and drink it. So that branch right there, let me drop that bag. It was so bad we put burlap around it so they don't kill it. Then we put hooks with bird tape everywhere, trying to get them to not drink out of the tree and make more holes, because right there it's really bad. They did quite a few holes there.
Well, when you put the split on, actually it looks pretty good right here. Look at it, how it's got the two tails going.
Yeah, well now it does, but when they had static, the two tails right there kind of stuck together, but I stopped splitting the tape.
Yes, our neighbors are probably looking out thinking we're freaking nuts.
Yeah, they probably think, why are they decorating their tree? Anyway, so these little sapsuckers, first time they've ever come to our house, and so they will supposedly be migrating in April. They are protected, so we're not killing them. We like the birds, we just don't want them annihilating our cork oak. This is a baby cork oak. It's about, how old is this cork oak, Sean?
8 years old.
About 8 years old. So we're just trying to get it bigger because they're going after the smaller branches. The bigger branches they can't really harm. They're not down here on the trunk at all. And our cork oak in the backyard back there that we have is enormous, and they don't go in it at all because we have 2 squirrel nests in it, and the squirrels say, nope, you can't live in my tree. So anyways, that's the end of our day, getting all the bird tape up into the cork oak.